try and convince you that diesels make better burnout cars than methanol ones. That's a hard ask. Weston?
Gentlemen, this is a treat because I've got a mic in here too. Can you guys hear me?
Hey, Weston, can you come over here? Away from the oil. Don't run over the camera. Settle down, big fella.
Hey guys, is this what you want to see? Is this what you want? I let the smoke out. It's got too much smoke in here. Can't see even inside the car. Hey, where's everybody at? Are you guys ready to see the smoke big absolute ripping down there? Hold on, I gotta let the smoke out. I had my door open doing the burnout. You're not supposed to do that, by the way.
Let me put the windows down. Why do you put windows down, Weston?
Hold on. I just got shut. Hey, we're at the field.
As long as you don't run me over. Alright guys, who's ready to see Weston tear this burnout pile to shreds? Where's he going? Can you see where he's going? Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Actually, we won't smash this car, it's too nice. Alright guys, if you already see Weston with this burnout pile to shreds, let's make some noise! Alright, Mr. Champlin, let's see what she's got. We just heard Westen Champlin blow his boost tube to the moon, and I think that'll do him for this afternoon. Make some noise for Weston, ladies and gentlemen.
Someone made a mess.
Wonder who that is, Weston.
I don't know. I bet you that was Patty from a minute ago. I bet you I just drove into it. That was definitely him. Was that good?